Hi there, if you have a Sony Bravia Smart TV and you are unable to turn on and having the black screen on the TV for any reason, then don't be panicked. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the possible ways that will hopefully fix your problem. So let's get started. So the first thing first, you need to make sure that the power cord is properly connected to your TV, and also check the connection between AC power adapter and the power cord, that it's not damaged or broken. And later on, if you see that everything is fine but you are still having the same problem, then follow the next process. The next process is pretty quick and very easy. You just go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket and find out the power button from your TV, and later on press and hold the power key about 30 seconds, and after that wait around 1 minute and then replug in your TV to the wall socket and then check your issue. Hopefully this process will work for you, but if any case if you see that you are still having the same problem, then let's go ahead and check the remote. This time you just go ahead and remove the battery from the back of your remote and then keep pressing the power button about 10 to 20 times, and also check the battery health. Replace a new battery if necessary, and after inserting the batteries once again, you just go ahead and check your issue. If it solves your problem, then it's very good, but if you're still having the same problem, then there is one more way to go. The last process that I'm going to talk about is if you connect any external device with a cable like HDMI, USB, wired LAN and something like that, then you need to remove this cable and check your issue. And also you can try switching to the different port and then you just go ahead and check your issue, and hopefully it will resolve your problem. So after doing all the processes, if you see that your TV is still not turning on, then it could be a hardware issue. In this case, you need to take your TV to the service center and hope that they will solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, if you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.